Assalamu alaikum and good morning students. This is your teacher Abid Bajwa and today we are going to talk about 15 interesting facts about English language. Dear viewers, you must already know that English language is a worldwide language that is used throughout the world in almost all the spheres of life, whether it is education, whether it is business or personal matters. All the people who need to improve and enhance their English language, they must know some of its basics. And there are so many interesting facts that people did not know earlier. In today's video, we'll be talking about first 15 interesting facts and that will be shared to you, and in the coming days, we'll be bringing some more interesting videos for you so that you could enhance and improve your knowledge of English language skills. There is another fact that I want to discuss here. Whatever subjects you are studying, whether it is chemistry, physics, biology, economics, business studies, you must realize that English language is a career language and you must keep learning new things again and again on the daily basis, because there is a quote that more you know, more you come to know, you know nothing. So I would request you to please watch this video till end so that you will be able to explore some of the facts you did not probably know earlier, and when you will learn this, you can easily use them, utilize them in your studies at some point in the future, and it can help you in your future exams or your exhibition of your educational caliber. So keep watching, stay tuned, bye, Allah Hafiz. Welcome back students. So let's start today's lecture. The name of the lecture is 15 interesting facts about English language, and the caption is improve your English language skills. If you will improve your language skills, definitely you are going to improve and enhance your academic caliber, and that will win you maximum marks not only in examination but also other relevant fields of studies. So did you know is a question that you'll be going with throughout all the slides, and you'll be asking yourself that did you know this fact earlier. So let's move on. Before I go on, I just want to mention a famous quote from Michelangelo, a very famous personality from our history. He says, "I am still learning." Dear viewers, you must know that learning is a life-lasting process, and Michelangelo has given this statement when he was 87. So meaning to say, when he was 87, he was still learning new things. So same is the case with you. Learning process never ends. You always try to learn new things so that you can enhance your knowledge. So moving towards our first fact, of interesting fact about English language, where does the word alphabet come from? You know, A, B, C, D, E, we call them alphabets. They have been divided into two main categories. The first one, consonants, and the other one is vowels. So alphabet together there are 26 alphabets, but you must know where does this word alphabet come from. So here is the answer. They come from alpha and beta, and these two words actually come from first two letters of Greek language. Alpha is the first Greek language letter and beta is the second one. So now at this stage you have learned something new, that now you know that you can easily tell where this word alphabet comes from. So see, there are alphabets. Our second interesting fact is the shortest complete sentence in English language. Complete sentence means grammatically complete. So there are two basically. The first one is go. So go is a grammatical sentence because it includes a verb. The second one I have given here is I am. I am is happened to be the shortest English language words, and that's interesting, isn't it? Third interesting fact, do you know the longest English language word? It is, can you try pronouncing it? It has got 45 letters in it, and it means a lung disease that is caused by dust and smoke. So it includes 45 letters. Second longest happens to be, you can see on your screen, you can try its pronunciation by breaking it into smaller parts, and it has included 36 letters. It means fear of long words. Ironically, its meaning is just the opposite what it says regarding its length. And let me include the third one. The third one is anti-disestablishmentarianism. I have not written on the screen because the screen space did not allow me. So by the way, these are the two examples I have quoted here to tell you the longest words in English language. Moving on towards the next slide, it says what is a pangram. A pangram sentence contains every letter of the language. If you see on the image at your right, there is an image 56 big real jet planes zoomed quickly by the tower. So that is a pangram, but the pangram I have included for my video is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Very famous one, and this sentence is used to learn keyboard typing, so that whosoever is learning typing, he must press the fingers on every letter given on the keyboard. So that is interesting, isn't it? Your next fact is the word swims, S-W-I-M-S. Do you know that swims will be swims even after you turn it upside down? So see, there is an animation of a fish. Swims will be swims even you turn it upside down. Interesting. Next slide is about the bookkeeping. Mind you, the only English word with 3 consecutive double letters is bookkeeper, with its associated word bookkeeping. Can you mark O-O-K-K-E-E? So there are 3 consecutives double E, and by the way, this is the only English word which has 3 consecutive double letters. Next fact is uncopyrightable. Uncopyrightable is the longest English word that contains no letter more than once. If you have noted it minutely, you will come to know in this long word there is not even a single letter that's been repeated. So uncopyrightable is the longest English word that contains no letter more than once. Next interesting fact is the longest word without true vowel is rhythm, with true vowel A-E-I-O-U. There are 5 true vowels, and see, in this word which contains 6 letters, there is not any of these true vowels. R-E-I-O-U, R-H-Y-T-H-M are the spells, and this is the longest word without a true vowel. Moving on, have you heard of the word QWERTY? QWERTY, these are actually 6 letters which you can find on your mobile phone's keyboards or your computer screen keyboard, that basically they have been taken from those first row of every keyboard. So the modern keyboard takes its name from the letters QWERTY. If now note it, whenever you are going to see or observe a keyboard, please just go through at your extreme left and start the first alphabetical row. You will come to know QWERT has been arranged in the same way. So the modern keyboard takes its name from this process. Let's move on to next slide. There are only 2 words in modern English that end in GRY. Interesting. We have thousands and lakhs of words in English language, but there are only 2 words from the whole lot which end with RY. and these words are angry and hungry. Have you noted that? Next interesting fact, did you know that a new word is added to English dictionary every 2 hours? So our English learning process is not static, it keeps on improving. So there are almost 4,000 words which keep on adding to the dictionary lot every year. On average, 2 words after a new word after every hour. Our next slide is, did you know that most commonly used tongue twisters are? So I have just given you 2 examples. There are so many. Why do we have these tongue twisters, by the way? You must have seen that sometimes when some of the machine stops working or it creates problems, what do we do? We oil them. So oiling these machines would lubricate and they will be able to run properly and in a smoother way. So in the same way, when somebody is learning English language and he cannot pronounce the words properly, teachers advise them to use some tongue twister. So they'll be able to pronounce the words in a proper way. So the first one is, and by the way, this is going to be a challenge. I want you to please say these tongue twisters 10 times, or let's try it at the earlier level 5 times without taking a breath. She sells seashells on the seashore. So when you will repeat it, you will be bit faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. The second interesting tongue twister is brown background, black background. In the same way, my advice is say these words, tongue twisters 10 times without taking a breath. Next interesting fact is the longest word using 3 and 4 letters are banana. So these banana, look at the word, note this word banana, only 3 letters are used, B-A-N-A-N-A, 3 letters. And I have given another example in which 4 letters are used and the letter is senseless. Only 4 letters are used, S-E-N and then L. Moving on towards our next slide, did you know that the letter A in numbers has got some special significance? For example, if you will keep writing the numbers in words, for example, O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-E-3, F-O-U-R-4. Surprisingly, you will not use the letter A up to 1000, because when you will write 1000, T-H-O-U-S-A come there for the first time. So, see, important, and isn't it interesting? In the same way, we have some significance attached with the letter B. The letter B in numbers, if you write the numbers in words, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, in the same way you did with A, you will not use the letter B until the word billion. You can check it. Prove me wrong. Was the video interesting? Have you learned something you did not know? Please share your feedback at my email abidbajwa@hotmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me at 0333 610 1052, and I'll be bringing more videos like these to improve your English language skills, to improve your knowledge. I wish you good luck and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.